Testing, yes. Oh, hello there. Hello there, viewer. So today we're gonna play some Donkey Kong on the Commodore 64. Are you ready? No? Yeah? Whatever. Okay, let's just be ready. Are you kidding me? Yay! Add exclusive game. Add exclusive. This is add exclusive. Yeah, but yeah. Download Call of Duty. It's free. I don't know nothing. Ah, the music. Oh no! Stop. Nah, yeah. Ugh. Okay, much better. Okay, much better. I don't know, but hey. Wait, I'm going to stick. Intro by Yak Alien. Remember. What do I remember? This looks very empty. Yeah, shut up. I don't want to know. Oh, that is a very ugly cover. Who cares? I want a high score saver. Load. Boom. We have this ugly Donkey Kong laughing at me. Oh no, the music. This music. Oh no. Well, at least the game looks playable. It plays kind of stiff to me. Wow. Cyclops decay. Wow. Mario forgot to put the sunscreen, I suppose. Oh, I hate this version because it's a little hard. That's the little problem. I don't like the games to be hard. Well, I'm not that ready for a big challenge. It plays very stiff. It plays slow though. I don't know why. It's the capitalists of the Commodore 64 software, I suppose. Ease. Never mind. Let's keep continuing. Oh yes, the classic Pie Factory. The beloved Pie Factory that wasn't on the NES version. Hey, very faithful. Shit. Who cares? I just... Oh my god. I have to keep pressing it? No. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. I like the set though. I think the voice fits well. It's just saying. I'm just saying. Okay, I have to beware from that fire. I need to beware from fiery. Something. I don't know. I need to get an umbrella. This way onto this annoying. Boom. We did it. Oh, come on, man. Give me a chance. I feel bad. 3 Cyclops decays. Wow. Oh, I hate this one. This one is not good. It doesn't play well. I really like the NES version, though. This plays like crap. No. How? I swear I didn't break a leg. Mario breaks his bumps by jumping over there for some reason. I don't get it. Boop. Oh, come here, fire. Come here, fiery. Yeah, you're good. There we go. I have to jump carefully. Jump carefully, or like... Dumb game. Alright. My name was really awesome for some reason. Alright, one try and that's it, okay? Okay, 4 minutes of a bit. So I'm gonna make this a 6-minute video or something, I don't know. Oh no, the memory capitalists. I hate this sound. I hate the walking sound. I love the iconic walking sound on NES. It's very faithful. It sounds very much better than this. This sounds horrible. Who cares? I want to skip this dumb cutscene. How high can you get, huh? Hold on. I'm gonna use a little bit of cheating, okay? I'm sorry, but I'm gonna do this. It's just for a quick buck. Thank God there weren't added to this one. Okay, come. Remember what? Remember my innocent murdering? What's with the C though? I don't know what's with the C, but okay, let's pretend that it's just nothing. Yeah, shut up. I don't want the ugly trainers. No. I want that one. Oh wait, time to do this. It's just for I'm trying to cheat just to show you the ending. Bam. Donkey Kong doesn't laugh. Wow, very unfunny. You'll get the joke later. Who cares? What the hell, man? Okay, listen. I tried to I'm trying. There we go. I'm gonna go where I continued. Boom. Time to do this. Easy peasy. It's gonna be that hard. I put a little bit of sheets to make it less. I don't know. The ending doesn't look special. It's just the same ending. I need to say that is dumb. Okay, alright, time to do this. Time to don't take whatever I call it. Some sort of fire ghosts are coming. This is the easiest stage of the game, indeed. You know, the one of the stacks or something. Believe it or not. I have to beware the fire thingy. Alright. I'm playing normally on this one. I'm not gonna play like I'm an idiot. Okay. These two fires are campers. There we go. Never mind. It's 8-minute video. Wow, what an ending! What an ending! What an ending though. There's nothing else I can say. I guess I could say bye. Let me just get burned by fire or something. Peace or something. Okay.